let's have a go at a fairly complex question. If I said to you I had 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 2, you should be able to tell me that 5 take away 2 makes a power of 3. Okay? Now, if I change this to n take away 2 doesn't really simplify, and so our power can be abbreviated to n take away 2. All right, let's see if we can apply this concept over here. The first thing I'm going to say is we could do 2 to the power n times by, I'm going to change this 9 into a 3 and say 9 is the same as 3 squared. Okay? So if I put brackets around this 9 and brackets around this 9, you can see that that 9 represents this 3 squared. And my power is 2n plus 1. Okay? And likewise, I could do the same with a 6. The 6 is the same as 2 times 3. And my power is n take away 2. Okay. Now, I want to expand the bracket. So I'm going to expand the 2 with 2n plus 1, which will look like this. 3 to the power 4n plus 2. Remember, we're using the crab claw. So we have to do 2 times 2n and 2 times 1. That's how I get 4n plus 2. Now, this 2 has a power, it's n take away 2, and the 3 has a power, it's also n take away 2. So to expand this bottom set, we have 2 to the power n take 2 times 3 to the power n take 2, like so. Alright, so this is where I'm going to start to apply this concept right here. That n subtract 2 becomes my new power. So, putting the 2's together and putting the 3's together, I have 2 to the power n, and then I'm going to subtract this power, n take away 2, and I'm going to use brackets because there's a negative there and that's going to affect our answer, times by a 3 to the power 4n plus 2, and I'm going to subtract this power here also using brackets, n take away 2, like so. Alright. Let's see if we can simplify this. N take away n will cancel, and a negative times a negative 2 becomes a positive 2, like so. Then I have 4n plus 2 take away n take away 2. That's going to simplify to be 3 to the power. 4n take away n is 3n. And a positive 2 take away a negative 2 is the same as adding 2, so I get a 4. Okay? And that's pretty much it. I mean, I could change the 2 squared into a 4, like so, but that there is our final answer.